What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? And as you can see right here, we have SPX. SPX is sitting at right around 3,927, 24.27. Well, we definitely do not care about that. Now, the last trading day that we had was on 2nd of September. Today is a Labor Day, and overall, the market is closed. Now, with SPX, I'm still pretty bullish, so do not get this wrong. Although I had some predictions right here that were bullish from these points right here. That did manage to shift, unfortunately. So uh, overall, we got the shifts to the downside, but does that change the fact there? No, like this doesn't change the fact of nothing. Although we're just breaking down, this thing is still on the other side pretty bullish. Like I'm talking about the 12 hour, the 8 hour. We broke it from right here. We're into this area right here. Even the daily, look at this. You can see the daily. Pretty much still, we broke the structure that we can argue here. And ever since that break, we may be tapping into this little demand area. So if we're rejecting off of this, this is a pretty valid buy, right? Like in this area, you could look for absolute buys, but obviously I'm not financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. But these are great for upside moves potentials. But I'm overall still in this whole essence, like just something like this. So this is what I'm expecting that could be happening. Now, let me know what are your thoughts about SPX. At the same time, these lows at 3600 could also be taken out.